Hi everyone, my name is Shivleen and you have already seen the title of this video, so let's get into that. It's a holiday today, so people are screaming in the street, and that's what I hate about people. They're just screaming in the streets. Like, give it time, be patient, chill, it's holiday. Chop karo yaar. So let's get into this video. I essentially wanted to talk about my journey of how I started reading books and किस तरीके से मैंने books पढ़ना शुरू किया, कब से, and how did that happen to me. I did not hit the play button on my phone. So a little backstory about how I started reading books. I think मैं 10th या 11th grade में थी. मेरी English teacher, she was great. She has given me the best gift known to a mankind, which is reading, and I will give her the credit because she actually called me one day, and I think we have given our half-yearly middle term examination, and so she told me that you have a good thinking process, so why don't you write and show me what you have written. So at that point I did not knew anything about writing. This time I was in 10th or 11th or 12th, people were not very focused on literature part of things. They were focused on engineering or being a doctor or something like that. I don't know about other streams, but I think in science stream this was like the main facade for people, what they wanted to do. So eventually I went on to into a non-medical stream, and I'm still technically with technology, but it's just not the same thing. So she told me, उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि बहुत you have a good thought process, but you don't know how to express yourself in words right now. So you are thinking good, and it can be a complex literature if you ever write something. So start reading that. So she was like कि तुम पढ़ो थोड़ा सा और go outside of your textbooks and read a lot of things. So I want to thank her actually. She has given me like the greatest gift known to a mankind, which is reading a lot of books, which eventually led me into another career, which is law. I love how British say that, law. So that's how it happened. So according to that, I started reading books, and ऐसा होता है कई बार कि जो तुम कुछ पढ़ते हो and then you think about how it is related to your life, and जो उसमें तुम्हें lessons और सीख मिलती है, तो those are very very good and particular things. So the first book that I am going to talk about it's this one. It's Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Dr. Joseph Murphy. So इस book में क्या है? इस book में the author is eventually talking about how your subconscious mind is like the purest and most truthful form of what you want in life. I felt like this book was a little exaggerating, but it did had some good points. And this book is not actually, it's definitely a self-help book. Like it's a self-help book, and इस book में क्या है ना, that you have a lot of different chapters. Like I've read this a while ago, so I don't remember the content exactly, but this book has so many great things. Like it has like, let me see, it has like 20 chapters, and it actually talks about how your subconscious mind relates to your conscious mind, and how do you make life decisions based on that. So that was, ये बहुत अच्छी चीज़ थी इसके अंदर, because बहुत लोगों को ना, I don't think the people I grew up with, they don't know what they want, but they are just like going with the flow and just like there is not one person I know जिसने बैठ के अपने आप से बात की हो and then they are like, oh, this is actually and eventually what I want to do, which is this book. This book I will not lie, मुझे नहीं समझ आया कि क्या चल रहा था बुक के अंदर. When I did not realize कि हो क्या रहा था इस बुक के अंदर. This is a story, of course, and it's by Franz Kafka. And इस ऑथर के बारे में जो लिखा गया है, इसके बिल्कुल इंट्रोडक्शन पेज पे इस ऑथर की लाइफ बहुत ज़्यादा मेंटली डिस्टर्ब्ड रही है. ही वॉज इन डिप्रेशन मोस्ट ऑफ हिज लाइफ. लाइक there was area in his life which was not disturbed. His career, his love life at some point, it doesn't talk about that a lot, and his time as a sailor. ये ऑथर इतना डिप्रेस था कि इसने मरने से पहले अपने सारे वर्क्स को जला दिया था. He gave his books and his manuscripts to a friend. उसने अपने दोस्त को ये सारे manuscripts दे दिए and उसने बोला कि जब मैं मर जाऊँ ये सब चीज़ें वो जला देना. बट उसके दोस्त ने ये सब चीज़ें पढ़ी and this book is like part of our revolution as a human being, and it talks a good amount on different things. So ये किसके बारे में? ये एक्चुअली एक सेल्समैन के बारे में है जो कि जिससे स्टोरी शुरू होती है एंड ही सेज कि ही इज जस्ट टायर्ड, ही कैन नॉट वेक अप एंड ही इज टायर्ड क्योंकि वो बहुत ज़्यादा ही इज़ डूइंग अप एंड डाउन, ही इज़ वॉकिंग अ लॉट एंड ही इज़ डूइंग सेल्स, बट हिज लाइफ एज अ होल has no meaning because he's just providing for his family and he's going to work and that's his life is. So what happens one day कि वो उठ ही नहीं पाता है फ्लोर से and eventually he realizes that he has morphed into an insect and फिर उसके साथ चेंज आते हैं. उसकी फैमिली इसको बिल्कुल इग्नोर कर देती है, उसकी फैमिली इसको बिल्कुल अवॉइड कर देती है एंड एक टाइम आता है कि इसकी फैमिली ही हैज़ बिकम अ होल इंसेक्ट एंड वो अपने अपने कमरे में रहता है. he has not came out of his room in I think for a number of years and he has morphed into an insect and उसकी फैमिली सोचती है कि हमें if we have to give him up, we have to take him somewhere. He's useless to us, he's not bringing any money in, he is just depressed as one person can be depressed. So the night जो ये लोग जब उसकी फैमिली इसको उठा के कहीं छोड़ने जाती है उसके एक रात पहले ही he has died and he has his lung stops breathing and his heart stopped and he just died. And it's funny because it's personified so much in what real life says about people who are just like they're just like not used to you anymore and they're just useless to you and you just like throw them in a garbage. So the next book is something I'm still reading and this is something I'm still reading, like I'm here, I've read this much. This has been long recommended to me. It's Stoner by John Williams and to put it मतलब बहुत आसानी से बताया जाए कि क्या है इस बुक में क्या है. इस बुक में the author is talking about, I think he is talking about his life only, कि how his life मतलब जो उसकी लाइफ है बहुत चेंज हो जाती है because जो author होता है he is a son of a farmer and क्या होता है कि they are living somewhere outside New York City and I think in Kansas City. So तो जो ये लोग होते हैं तो उसके बाद देन दे डू द एग्रीकल्चर वर्क, बिकॉज बहुत ही पुरानी बात है ये 1910 की 1900। द मेन कैरेक्टर इन दिस बुक इज बिल स्टोनर। तो बिल स्टोनर की कहानी ये है कि वो बहुत छोटा होता है, वो एक बच्चा होता है, एंड उसको जनरली व्हेन ही इज लाइक कमिंग ऑफ एज ही गोज टू यूनिवर्सिटी कोलंबिया टू लर्न एग्रीकल्चर इंजीनियरिंग, ताकि वो अपने पापा के साथ आके फार्म में काम कर सके एंड फार्म में कुछ एक न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी को इंट्रोड्यूस कर सकते, ताकि they have a good living life, they have a good life, they don't have the best life. So he goes to university, उसका वहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा लिटरेचर में ध्यान लग जाता है. So what he does, he changes his major to from agriculture to literature. So literature पढ़ने के बाद क्या होता है कि he does not come back to home, he stays in the university. First he is a student, पर उसके बाद he became a professor, and his whole life goes on in this book. And उसमें मतलब इस बुक का बिल्कुल एंड टू एंड मीनिंग ये है कि like people write books about people who are famous, you know. बहुत सारे लोग फेमस होते हैं, उनके बारे में किताबें लिखी जाती हैं, ऑटोबायोग्राफी लिखी जाती हैं, बट द रेस्ट ऑफ द पीपल जो कि बहुत एक सिंपल लाइफ जीते हैं, उनके बारे में कभी कुछ नहीं लिखा जाता है. इस बुक में आई वॉज लुकिंग फॉर अ प्लॉट ट्विस्ट, इट्स नॉट देयर, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट समथिंग विच इज टॉक्ड अबाउट लाइक हर चीज़ में कोई चीज़ होने वाली नहीं. इसमें एक बहुत ही इसमें बात की गई है कि जो लोग पूरी ज़िंदगी जीते हैं अपनी एंड बहुत ही सिंपल लाइफ में निकल जाते हैं, बहुत शोशा या फिर बहुत इसमें देयर इज नो हश थिंग्स इन दैट. सो ही it's very interesting and it gave me a perspective to think about how कि एक लाइफ में people go on and live their whole life in simple living, and they have not done very exceptional things but they have done something. So हमें उनको भी याद रखना चाहिए कि there are people who live a very simple amount of life. They are not famous, they are not this big personality that people they are not the person who will, there are some people who they won't be remembered for anything but they still lived a life. So this book is for them. सबसे अच्छी चीज़ इस बुक के बारे में ये थी कि जो ऑथर है उसको लाइट डालनी थी उन लोगों पे जो कि एक सिंपल लाइफ जी जाते हैं, एंड देयर आर वेरी फ्यू पीपल हु रिमेंबर देम, लाइक they are not remembered by a lot of people. So he wants to shed light on simple people and simple living. So that was the best thing about this book. Thank you so much for watching this video, and let me know in the comment section below if तुम्हारी ज़िंदगी में कोई ऐसी किताबें हैं जिनसे तुम्हें बहुत ही ज़्यादा लेसन्स मिले हो एंड बहुत ही तुम्हारी लाइफ पे इम्पैक्ट रहा हो उन चीज़ों का. So let me know in the comment section and I will see you there.